This is the medicinal plant Euphorbia tirucalli. This plant originated from Africa, grows in the warmer parts of India. Its English name milk bush, milk hedge, Avelos petroleum plant. Malayalam names tirucalli, pasum, kodicalli, guda. Tirucalli is a medium-sized succulent shrub, grows on dried places. Stem is soft green. Leaves modified into tiny leaflets. Flower is greenish yellow. Indication: whooping cough, asthma, dyspepsia, jaundice. Enlargement of spleen, leukorrhea. Part used resin and bark. Latex applied externally on warts.